Hello, this is David from Boatshed Hailing. Currently looking internally at this Nantucket clipper. So looking forward to the forward cabin. Heads. Plenty of storage on the port side opposite the heads. Again, looking at the forward cabin, space for 2 people to sleep comfortably. Spinning around, again 2 singles. Moving up towards the galley area, cooker. And sink. And another single berth that extends under the cockpit area. Looking out to the cockpit. For more information and photographs on this boat, please visit boatshedhailingisland.com.